Well, good morning, everybody. It's a nice Monday morning. Had a good time at church yesterday. And then on Sundays, I don't do many projects because it is Sunday and it's the day of rest. So today, I have made a plan. And on the top of that plan is cleaning my truck. I was helping my friend Vern and Pastor move an airplane last week, and the road was being worked on over by a mile. It was all mud and it was raining, and so this is what my truck looks like. A10s. Don't know if you can see them. So we see a lot of them here because we're not too far from the range, and a lot of times they make a pass at the range and then they circle back over our house and make another pass. Okay, so what we need is some water, some soap, and a pressure washer. So, hi guys, you guys doing okay? Huh, Troop? You want to go, don't you? You ought to see him jump around when he thinks he's going to go somewhere. But he didn't see me with the keys, so. Hey, Pipe. Piper's almost blind. She can still see a little bit. And she still has her nose. Don't you, baby? Let's do inventory. There's the water ready for washing, and there's some brushes. And here's my temporary camera holder. Plus I got the one hooked to my chest here. There's the pressure washer, and there's the hose. So let's start by hooking the hose up to the pressure washer. Well, you know, it takes a lot longer to do stuff when you're making videos of it. So I don't know, I guess this is a good idea. I don't know. And then I lose stuff, man. I have something in my hand and it's gone, and it's lost faster than the media can blame Donald Trump for the world's problems. And that's pretty fast. All right, let's see. I gotta get this. Okay. I didn't check the gas, so we're probably out of gas too. I guess a feller ought to check the gas before he starts it up. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I got gas in there. I don't like to leave a lot of gas in it on account of I may not use it a lot. All right, where are we at here? I think we're pretty much ready to, start it up and get some of that dirt off there. Unwind my hose here first. All right, the hose is unwinded. Filling the system full of water before I start the motor. See, there's some air. All right, we gotta put puppies away first. Okay, so our camera's mounted on our bipod / stepladder. So, you're leaking a little out there, but that's okay. All right, let's set you on hyperlapse. See how that looks. Okay, so that's how I wash my 2003 Ford F350 diesel. So if you needed to know anyway, God bless. Well, I thought I was done at this point, had my stuff all put away, but Laura decided she needed her car washed, and it sure needed to be washed. So here we go. Caught me washing my truck, so. Let's see what we can do for her car. Really dirty. Here's not too bad up top here. She needs to take it to a good car wash. Not perfect, but Laura says she's in a hurry. She has to go see her doctor downstate. Than it was.
Wow, does that look good?
Yeah. And the hitch is in the back. I still wouldn't knock it. So, again I say, God bless. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.